Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. It's a wonderful day today. We are in right in the midweek. It's Wednesday and it's March 26, 2025 is right there. Alright, so for this week, the high impact of I think from low, sometimes it is high impact, sometimes more of the time it's low impact and medium impact, which is the GDP data come out tomorrow. That is the new right there. And today we have a beautiful setup from the high time frame, which is the daily time frame. And we are in week 13, so it's the last week of quarter one right there. It's a last week. That's right, it's the last week of quarter one. So basically we are right here. Last week CNA operation expiration. Yes, end of month and quarter. So 31st Monday is the end of month and quarter right there. 31st.
The market is open.
31st right there. By the way, it's a lot from top steps and the market is open. Market open. Wow, it dropped. Huge. But anyway, look at today. We didn't trade yesterday because we know that they need to be liquidity in order to show up today. And if you look on the daily time frame, here's our daily time frame screenshot. So we take screenshot of 5 almost 6 a.m. in the morning Eastern time, and you see that, right? See the level right there at 58.21.75. Test from below, break and reverse. It will reverse. At least it's gonna come down to 91 right there. You see that? Yes. So that's the setup we see, and we saw the gap right here also. So it doesn't look like a solid reversal. But if you look right here, you see this type 2 reversal that happened 2 weeks ago on Friday. See that? Test from above 1, 2, break and reverse. That is the type 2 reversal right there. So for today, pay attention to the level 58.21. Okay, so now go into the chart. We can see right here, that's the level right there, and here's the high. Yeah, oh, how that possible? I see. So here's the high of the the Monday. So basically the Monday and the Tuesday is set up the liquidity. You see that how it's set up? And the London exactly around the PM of the Tuesday, and boom, the 9:30 is a setup to short them. If you look at the 21 level right there, which is this level, level 21 right there, it tests from above, boom, break, and it tests from below, break and reverse exactly. And you see that at 9:15 and 9:30 is kind of right, it kind of tests from above. Let's look at the real time to see how it looks. Anyway, we messed up our recording today, so we didn't catch that moment. But as you can see that it run around that level, and this is a setup to short them right there. If we look on high time frame, you can see that. So right here on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a lot of theory right here. You see that right here at 10:15, it starts sell off and it tests from above the key level right there. Test from up, and then 9:30, you test from up again one more time. Or if you look at this candle range at the other level, you see a test from up, break and reverse, and then break again. So it's gonna be a real breakout at this level. Yeah, what level right here? The high is 58. Yeah, 58, 28. Oh yeah, that's the real breakout at that level. You see that? And the same setup right here. You see right here, it tests. It real breakout. It tests from up 1, 2, 3. It break it. We try to go along here, make mistake, and we blow up our account right there. So basically we wait for the whole month, right? We blow up our account last month, and then we wait for the whole month. It just one day we blow up. We will show you the screenshots, but that should not bother us at all. We have to be happy. Yes, we have to embrace the loss and failure. That's how we grow. We have to be feel comfortable with our loss and our failure. Let not us bother us. That's how we're gonna grow and we learn. We ask like it doesn't bother at all. That's the things. So right here, let's say. So whenever you see this setup, then you know once in a real time you see this is flash very quick. That's how the algo run. So whenever we see that a sweep back and forth between the 9:30, 9:15, and 9:45 like this, it gives you a very good high quality right there. Oh, and you see the open right there also. That's beautiful right there. And here is the perfect. At first, we thought this if we done right here, but it's not. You see that? Lots of tests from above, so don't go along yet. Don't go along, yes. We did go along right here. We catch, when we blow up our real account, we go to practice account, we catch the move right here. But you can see that right here it doesn't form a solid a solid reversal. But right here you can see that, right? It's break, test from below and reverse. That's it. As soon as it break the level, it reverse right away. So just be careful, because in a sell day, then if you go long, you have to take quick profits and get out. So we see the huge sell right here at 11:15, right? That's 11:15. So it consolidate around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like an hour or so, an hour 15 minutes. Yeah, an hour 15 minutes before it's sell again. In liquidity, basically it tried to build up or engineer liquidity right there. So you see that setup right there. Yes, and it's let's zoom it bigger so you can see. Yeah, and look at that. You see the same idea right there. This move right here, see that? Break, reverse right away. Because this is not sweep the sell side liquidity. Yeah, because this one is not sweep the sell side liquidity, so as soon as it break on this level, short right away. Don't hesitate. Yeah, so again 12:30 right here. So 12:30. Yep. 12:30 right here. Yes, 12:30. Yeah, it's amazing how the level, look at that. That's from above twice and break it. That takes a screenshot and do some annotation on that. So we have a setup right here. A real breakout for that matter, but real breakout right there. Or we yeah, and then one way here, and then you have another one right here. So let's see. So right here you have either way you have is you can call it a real breakout, right? Because real breakout. So at the level real breakout, you can call it real breakout. Basically test from above, break and reverse. This supposed to go up, but it did not. So you can call real breakout at 58, 28, 50 right there. That's the level. Is that right? Yeah, 58, 50. Very interesting, huh? Oh, okay, that's the high. Yeah, it's very accurate right here, the number right there. But I wonder this number. So basically, it's a type 2 test of break and reverse. It's type 2 reversal, but if it's invalid right there. So basically, it's a invalid for breakout reversal type 2 that's from above, break and reverse, got invalid right there. Yeah, that's what I mean. And the key is 8:45. 9:45. Is that right? Yeah, 9:45. That's where it happened. So the 9:30 is just a trap people. And also we have the 9:30 and the 9:15. We have a test from above 2 times 9:30 and 09:30, right? We have to keep the level right here at the key level, daily time frame 58:21:75. Yes, 2 times right there. And we know that in the high time frame, if one is broke this level, it will continue to break. So to leave it there for now. And this right here is a free breakout also. Yeah, we don't saw only 4 breakout, it's just a real breakout. Yep, real breakout. What the low of that one? 50.05. Yeah, 50.05. 50.05.50. F 50. Yeah, 50.05. Is that right? Right here, 58.05. 58.05.50. 8.05.50 right there. It's a real breakout because we have a test from above. How many times? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it breaks at yeah, I'm gonna break it right there. Yep. Right here, just leave it there for now. Let's save this one. Alright, here's the trade that we took today. So right here we saw a setup right there. You see that? Test from above, 1, 2, break at that level, and this level also, but it's about 30, right? So 20 minutes into the trading, and we didn't take the trades. We thought we mixed the move, and we don't anticipate that it's really gonna go all the way down. That's our mistake. We should anticipate that. Yeah, we should anticipate that. Well, we never know. So that's the reason why we hate it. You see that? It coming down, and we look on the daily time frame. We said break down one level. It makes sense, and we wonder that that's it, or it may go to that level as 94. The trick is that somehow the data aggregate on the trading view is not matched with thinkorswim, so we have to deal with what we have. You see that huge from just the last 3 minutes, it flushed down. Yes, we make a huge move right there, and then boom, it make a second leg down. And we look on the daily, we see that it's gonna come down mainly at this level at 58.03. Okay, so right here we decide to engage and we use our real account right there, the combined account with top step, and we go long right here. You see that? Basically we saw, okay, test from below, right, break and test from below, but actually there's no specific level right here. And also you see a lot of tests from above. So we thought that we make mistake right here basically, and we're happy. We celebrate the mistake we make. We should not get frustrated or get mad at ourselves or something like that. Well, why we do that? Because we do that if we continue to make mistake. We should not let the mistake, the failure bother us. The minute we recognize that, the minute we grow out of that, then the magic will happen. But anyway, we should stay out of this trade. But we click. So next time we need to patient wait for our setup, right? And if we miss right here, it's okay. Wait for another day. Don't try to rush in there. Feel like missing out. Just what the feeling. You see that? I come back. Wow, right here. We thought that, oh wow, it's gonna reverse from here. But now we look back, you see that it's nothing here to indicate a reverse because there are lots of tests, the long week right there, tests from above right there. That means they are engineering the sell really. Yep. So we're thinking about exit right there because it doesn't go to our favor at all. You see that? It flipped 50 way. So basically, we should not take this trade. Look right here. We don't see actually not really any setup at all. We should have be patient. Actually, at the beginning of the day, we tell ourselves, all right, let's wait to see how the daily is playing out. Right, and the daily tell us it's going to be the short setup. However, somehow we try to jump in go long right here. So basically we deviate from our plan. So from now on, just stick to our plan, right? Just try to take one trade a week. Don't take too many trades, because the setup only around Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. We always see the setup right there. Right, so if we look on the daily, you can see that. The last time you see the Friday right there, you see the Monday, and the Tuesday and Wednesday test from above, Thursday break it, and Friday reverse. But for this week, it kind of consolidate right there. But for this week, it's so clear. You see that? It start from last Friday, create a gap up on a Monday, and then you see the Tuesday. It just break around the high upper level. Then if today it break that level, then we can go short and aim for at least the midline of this candle. We don't need to go all the way to this candle. At least the mid-range candle or the level that this candle broke before, you see, which is this level right there. See that? That's level right there. Wow, so accurate. It did hit that level. Yeah, we didn't make a liquidation right there. It is a short setup. Now it become a short setup. See that? Yeah, it become a short setup. Clearly, we should switch to short, but we become undecided right here. We could make the call right here. So before here. See that? So if right here it cannot maintain the momentum, then we should get out, because you see that it tests from below 1, 2, So 3 have to be explosive. But if we don't see the speed, the velocity that we like, we anticipate, then just get out, take a loss, or switch, switch to short term. And this is perfect to short term because lots of tests from above right here, lots of sell side. And you see that, and right here we just get out. You see the short right here so clearly. Test from a level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no reason to come back here. The only reason it come back to the level is to gonna probe and make a second leg down. Exactly. The reason why we couldn't make decision because we stuck in the loss trade. We couldn't take the loss. Basically, we cannot take the loss. We try to be right. Absolutely, that's the lesson we learned. Don't try to be right. If the market tells us otherwise, then just get out and follow. If you don't want to go back, then fine. Otherwise, switch to the direction of the market. Boom. See that? We take it out. So we take a loss right there for the re-workout right there. And then boom, right here. What did we do? What did we do right here? Yeah, basically we go in, right? We follow short setup, that's right. But in this case, we just go with only one contract. If we go with at 10 more, then we are in good shape right there. See that? Yes. So if we are, we can recover right there the loss. But anyway, whenever you see that, we did what we need to do, which is we saw a setup, we take the trade. So this is a perfect trade. The previous trade is a completely mistake, but this trade we have a setup. So you see that it tests from above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no reason to come back. The reason to come back in the level into create a real breakout right there. And we saw caught up right here. We say, oh, it's gonna explosive right here, but you know what? It's not there. Next time, be patient. Because on the high time frame, the daily time frame is short setup. So we should not hurry go in and go long. And we make you see that as soon as we saw that, we thought that we add more contract. We boom, as soon as we go add more contract, it go back again, and boom. We got basically we blow up our account right there for just one trading day right there. So that's the huge lesson learned for it right there. So we look at the daily time frame, we see that it break the level right there, the level on the Monday right there, because like we say, the trading view look just a little bit different than the Thinkorswim. But anyway, if you look at this level, you see that it's gonna come down and break the level. Right? If you look at the candle range, also you see a level right there. It break it and then it come back, then it's gonna break. So the 58.10 right there. This is our weekly right there. Okay, so here we go along with the practice account. So here's we go along. Even though right here, there's not much setup right there neither. Yes, this one. But we look at the time. We say, wow, it's 2 hours more. So it may have some retracement right here. And we're going. We thought that, wow, we can make another mistake. And we look in the daily. We saw that right, it broke down that level. It may retrace back right there. So, and we also would check on, you see there's a gap on Monday right there. It may come back and fill the gap. So we look at numbers right there. But 9 minutes into the candle, it goes to our favor, and you can see, boom. So go to break even. So if we wait patient enough, we don't go long right here, we go long right here, we have a chance right here with our real account right there. Because you do see that the test from below, but the trade before that's not test from below at all. There's some test from below over here. So that's some retracement right there. See that? So we do have profit of 6,000 right there, which is take profits. But anyway, we look, we see, wow, it's not right, so we take out, it kind of fall back. So we just close the whole trade. Alright, so that's the trade we took for today. Basically, we took 3 trades, 2 trades on the real account, and we just blow it up. And one trade is in a practice account. But 2 trades is good. Well, two trades is good. This trade is good, and the trade before that also good. The one that we just even go with 1 contract. With 1 contract. The trade we saw, yeah, we saw this trade. It is a good trade because we sweep for long to short on real account. It's good trade because it's short setup rate, real breakout rate. This trade is a good trade. All right, let's just review one more thing before we close. We wrap up here. So basically, the setup for the Monday and the Tuesday is for the Wednesday to flush out all the sell side liquidity right there. So let's follow our game plan. Try to trade only 1 times a week and to see. Practice our patient wait, because in any week they always have a so-called low resistance liquidity run right there, which is on today. See, any week you pick this week or this week. You see the setup for this week, even though it's hard to trade, but the setup is on Tuesday. Boom, reverse. See that? Monday expansion, Tuesday reverse. Right. Same right here. Monday is huge move, and then if you see the Monday is huge down move, and the Tuesday and Wednesday failed to break the low of the Monday range and wait for that Thursday move right there. All right, so that's it for us today. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success coming our way. Day by day, little by little, in every way, we're getting better and better. Thank you, and have a great evening, and a great night, and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.